Welcome to our deep dive into one of the most consistent performers in the U.S. medical technology sector, Insulet Corporation, trading under the ticker PODD. While many investors focus on volatile tech startups, savvy portfolio builders look for companies with structural advantages and high efficiency. Insulet isn't just a leader in diabetes care, it is a financial powerhouse that has maintained over 21% ROE and ROCE for 5 consecutive years. For those who appreciate the precision engineering of a high-performance vehicle, think of PODD as the perfectly tuned engine of the healthcare sector. Today, we will explore how they've achieved these industry-leading metrics and what it means for the future of your investment portfolio.
At the heart of Insulet's success is the Omnipod system. Unlike traditional insulin pumps that require tubes, which can be cumbersome and prone to failure, the Omnipod is a tubeless, wearable device. This is the DIY mechanic's dream of medical tech. It's simple, efficient, and highly effective. By removing the complexity of tubing, Insulet has captured a significant portion of the market, boasting over 360,000 active users globally. This product isn't just a one-time sale. It operates on a recurring revenue model, similar to a subscription service, ensuring steady cash flow that fuels those impressive financial ratios we're analyzing today.
In the world of finance, return on equity and return on capital employed are the ultimate measures of how well a company uses its money. Insulet has consistently smashed the 21% mark. To put that in perspective for car enthusiasts, it's like getting supercar performance with the fuel economy of a hybrid. This means for every dollar of equity or capital invested into the business, Insulet is generating over 21 cents in profit. This level of efficiency is rare in the capital-intensive medical device sector and highlights management's ability to allocate resources effectively to drive shareholder value.
Consistency is the hallmark of a great investment. Insulet hasn't just hit these 21% targets once. They have maintained this momentum for 5 straight years, starting in 2019. Even through the global supply chain disruptions and economic shifts of the early 2020s, Insulet's financial chassis remained stable. This 5-year track record proves that their profitability isn't a fluke or the result of a single lucky quarter. It is the result of a resilient business model and innovation and a growing patient base that relies on their life-saving technology every single day.
The U.S. healthcare sector is notoriously competitive, yet Insulet has carved out a dominant position. With high barriers to entry due to FDA regulations and the complexity of medical manufacturing, Insulet's 21% returns are protected by a competitive moat. They aren't just participating in the market, they are leading the shift from traditional injections and tubed pumps to automated tubeless systems. Their market share continues to expand as they integrate with popular continuous glucose monitors, creating an ecosystem that is difficult for competitors to disrupt, much like how a proprietary car parts ecosystem keeps owners loyal to a brand.
Looking under the hood at future growth, the Omnipod 5 is the primary fuel. It is the first tubeless automated insulin delivery system that integrates with Dexcom and Abbott sensors. This innovation is opening doors to the massive type 2 diabetes market, which is significantly larger than the type 1 market they traditionally served. International expansion is also accelerating, bringing that 21% efficiency to global markets. For the DIY mechanic of finance, this represents a massive upgrade to the company's total addressable market, suggesting that the high ROE and ROCE figures have room to run even higher.
No investment is without risks, and just like a car needs a regular maintenance check, we must look at the challenges. Insulet faces stiff competition from players like Tandem Diabetes and Medtronic. Furthermore, the rise of GLP-1 weight loss drugs has created some investor uncertainty regarding long-term insulin demand. However, Insulet's management remains confident, noting that most type 1 patients will always require insulin. Staying aware of these regulatory and competitive road hazards is essential for any disciplined investor. The high ROCE provides a safety buffer, allowing Insulet to reinvest in R&D to stay ahead of the curve. In conclusion, Insulet Corporation, PODD, stands out as a financial powerhouse. Its ability to maintain over 21% ROE and ROCE for 5 years is a testament to its superior product, efficient operations, and dominant market position. Whether you are a car enthusiast who appreciates high-performance engineering or an investor looking for a reliable growth engine, PODD offers a compelling narrative of efficiency and innovation. With the rollout of Omnipod 5 and entry into new markets, the future looks bright for this medtech leader. Keep Insulet on your radar as you fine-tune your financial portfolio for long-term success.